Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. While uDlamini, uSibalikhulu, is concerned about which child is not his, umkakhe is reminding him, ukuthi wena, you cannot be the one questioning me about which child is not yours and. Remember, uhambile wayokhekleza, I don't know if that's the right Xhosa word, but in your keklezing, I accepted your child. I live with your child. So therefore, nje yonke lento ofuna ukuyenza, you must just stop it. It's unacceptable. But uSibalikhulu is saying by fire, by force, I need to know which one is not mine. The way the storyline is going, it's as if they're going to say, uVusi akusum tanaki. Like the problem looks like it's between Vusi and Gwenzo. But uVusi nje, the way he's so hungry for power, he's so hungry for the position, he's so hungry for everything, it looks like the DNA might be the one kicking him out. We don't know as yet, but if the storyline goes to that direction, I'll probably be bored. This is why. uPhetheni seemed like she's a good wife and now all of a sudden their marriage will be broken because of whatever, and uSibalikhulu will go back to uNomfundo. This will be just an everlasting raveling, which is unnecessary for the storyline, because the storyline is between Sibongile and the Dlaminis. All we want to see is a happy ending between uKwenzo and Sibongile. uKwenzo is ready to propose, told his father. His father said, you are not ready, you just got out of a divorce. Told Umam Samke congratulated and supported it. He asked Umam Samke to say, girl, ngicela ungibuzeleke ukuthi already now girl. If girl already, then I'll be able to propose, because I don't want to propose only to find out ukuthi ugirl akekho lapho. Hayi Umam Samke ayenze izinto zenzeke, ugirl uSibongile loyo athi hayi already nje upabaphu zonke izinto nje dilo sfateng or ba re ke dilo skotlolo ngor dilo kae mara like you guys know that very song, right? So with that said, umshado ngathi uzoqhubeka, iproposal izoyenzeka. Maybe that's how the story will go on season break, because we are told that the storyline is going on a season break. The helpers have seen uVelephi ukuthi awakama helper agqoka kanjani. They are sexy, they have makeup, they've got this. I don't know how do you clean nge-makeup ngoba ngijuluka if mina I'm cleaning the house, but nonetheless laba ke ba cleaner nge-makeup. And the helpers, they started judging them, but eventually they were like, this could be us. Now, question ukuthi uzoyivuma na uPhetheni that in her house ukuthi umuntu eze ngathi nje uzowalka i-runway while they are supposed to be cleaning, and makajuluka kwenzakalani? Are they gonna go and brush and touch up the makeup and come back to work, or what's going to happen? It's gonna be a tricky one. But also the question that I'm asking myself, business ka Velephi, is it sustainable? Will it attract the right clients?